South side sila banda.
Ah.
Just catch them.
Por na ano, na tawag dito.
Catch.
Sige lang, kunin mo lang. Kunin mo lang.
Kunin lahat guys.
May nabol ako sa northwest.
Saan ka?
Okay, go to the ping.
Anting. Hindi kayo pa pa, man.
Sige. Mounting up.
I need my D-tanks on southwest and southeast. You scout. One D-tank can zone
Oh.
southwest. You can see if there's a blob zoning in.
Nice one.
Bro.
Meron na ba? Meron na bang southwest?
Nakadso natin to.
Mag-zone na yata yan.
Damn.
Ayan, huwag na.
Okay, just go to outpost.
Parang
Going
kilala ko
back
ito,
in Farm or Die, going southeast pala sila.
Yung alin.
Farm or Die. Yung...
Rookies, owning.
Yeah, mount up.
May rookie sa...
Avoid walker. Come to outpost, everyone.
Bumabalik yung rigger ng Farm or Die.
Parang tatlo lang ata.
To
dali.
rookies.
Kasama na nila.
Yeah, everyone regroup on outpost. Kasama nila to. Rookies.
Hey, alis na dyan nasa ping. Back na
Gago.
yun nasa ping.
Tulong kami, tulong. Gagi.
Ba't ka nag-demon?
Go.
Takbo.
Go.
Everyone come
Pamatay ako.
southeast. Come southeast.
Patay si Rital ah.
Kanina pa lang
Ano pa yung
piping, guys.
chine-chase nyo dun?
Anyari sa inyo?
Yung one guy, tapos biglang may dumating na team nila.
Core. Patay
Ay,
si
ba't
Core.
piniping ko kanina eh?
I told you to come back.
Sorry.
Your rigger, guys.
Si Core.
Game, madali lang.
Catch nyo, they're running.
Yeah, dismount.
I have
Can you catch this guy on southeast? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Drop now.
Cash na to, carving. Game.
Asan
Firewall
pa?
mo yan. Ito, yan.
Yo, come northwest.
Meron pa.
Follow the crown. Don't chase, guys. People on southeast, don't chase. Come northwest.
May mga rookies dyan, ingat.
Oo.
If you're behind, just mount up.
Big up na kayo.
That's rookies Northwest rookies.
Sige.
They have this array.
Boss.
Yo, people on southeast, what are you doing?
Medyo malayo na yung southeast.
Pabalik na
They're
kami.
dismounted on north. They're dismounted on north.
Okay, come south.
Walker,
Come southeast.
Regroup niyo muna.
Ito lang, i-check ko.
Sige, Jem.
Okay, come north now. Just follow the crown, guys.
Rookies on north.
Fudosi. Yo, come
Array
north.
so
Start
far.
walking north.
Super
I'm
Dactyl
gonna pick-
yung yung kanya. Super Dactyl yung color.
Yeah. Yo, QW this heavy mace. Inside, QW inside. Wait. QW. Walk in. Walk north. Yo, radar northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown now. Hit this. Okay, spread down. Spread. Radar defensive here. Come southeast. Yo, kill the guy inside. Come north now. They failed. Come north. Walk in. Come northwest. Keep walking northwest. 5 seconds on northwest. Come inside the OP. Ready inside the OP now?
Ready.
Wait, come north. Spread north. Yo, walk north. Keep walking north. Spread on north. Ready on the crown now? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown now, hit this. Okay, spread here. Keep brawling. Brawl inside. Come south now. Come southwest. Yo, spread. Defensive. Come southwest. Walk southwest now. Spread. Heal up. 8 seconds, we're gonna engage. Walk north now. Walk northwest. Walk northeast. Walk inside the OP. Come east. Yo, look on east now on the choke. 5. After the J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the J now. Hit this. Okay, spread. Spread now. Bro the low. Yo, defensive on south. Yo, spread. Heal up. Just spread here. Inside the OP. 6 seconds, we're gonna engage again. Spread. Bro the guy on the west side.
12 seconds.
Yo, look on the crown now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Hit this. Okay, spread. Kill the lows, please. Yo, spread. They looking. Come north. Spread on north. Spread on north, guys. 5 seconds, we're gonna engage again. Come north. Spread on north outpost. Yo, look on me. Ready on the crown? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this. Nice. Spread now. Finish the low. Just spread her. Yo, defensive. Kill the low. Okay, spread.
Running.
They gonna run now.
Subukan nila mag-run.
Yo, look on southeast on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now, on the front. Kill this guy. Okay, nice. Catch now.
Meron southeast, pinakatch namin.
Sige.
Yo, careful, there's a blob on south.
I can check.
Ano to?
Ingat kayo sa pag-chase ha. May
Don't
nangkikidnap.
overchase. Don't
Wag
overchase.
na.
Yung
After
nasa
nito,
south
wag na.
west, don't overchase.
Okay na. Last guy.
Tayo na
Kill
to.
nyo.
Wag na. Alis na tayo dyan.
Come back.
Hug with the blob, boys. Hug with the blob.
Yeah, they're level 1. Those who die, rigor fast. Everyone come to outpost.
Ano yan? Ano yung blob na yan?
Di ko na check.
Ako na.
I still need 1 D-tank on southwest. I need 1 scout on the blob.
Wag na yan. Sige, silipin ko hili.
Yo, kill the guards. Ready on this. 3,
Kitties,
1, drop.
hili. Going tayo, hili.
May mga GG band ako
Okay.
nakita dito ha.
2 desire.
To this array, okay.
GG band ha, may mga GG band.
On ping sila, northeast side. One
Okay,
screen away
come to
from ping.
outpost, come to the outpost.
Dismounted on ping. Kahit
Okay, we can hold this choke. We can hold this choke. PW on the guards.
Pudosi na.
Yo, dito
Pwede
kami
ako
southeast. Dito
Pwede ako
kami
mata
southeast.
Kaylee ah. Pwede ako mata Kaylee.
Anong pwede umatak?
Hatak.
Peter,
hatak.
Sige.
Wait lang.
In-engage nila si Yurit. In-engage yung Rotang.
Saan?
South.
Nag-engage sila.
Okay tayo,
Yeah,
hili.
it's fine.
Sabi lang.
You look on this guy inside 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke daw. Okay, come back. Ready to hold the choke, guys.
They're kite.
Just hold here.
They're kite come.
Yeah. Yo, they looking. Defensive, nice. Okay, walk in. Walk east. Walk in now. Ready on east. 5, 4, 3,
Ah,
2,
GA, likod
1.
mo, India.
On me now. Okay, keep on east. Spread inside them. Come north now. Walk north. Ready, they have engaged. Ready defensive here. Walk north. Keep on north. Yo, defensive. Wait, walk south. Pats now. Pop your pats. Yo, I died. James.
Yo, come
And then,
sa bit. On the shield. Yo, on the shield. 5, look for 4, 3,
third party.
1.
May third party again.
Third party.
Third party.
Kamas. We out. Kamas.
ano yung third party? Anong guild?
GG Bond.
Kamas.
Walang,
Sayang. Hold down na ako. Tangin. Pagka pumalubong sa
Okay,
south.
we don't hold defensive on the...
takbo, Solaris.
Patay si Lucy.
After pagkapatay mo hili, nagkuhan sila
Balik mo tayo,
agad.
Hili.
Nag-third party sila agad.
Pagkapatay ni Haley, nag-engage yung ano,
Oo, na-engage yung GG Bond.
YouTube ban.
Yeah, let's
Everyone-
regroup on portal.
If your guys alive, come southwest. Mount up in southwest.
Nag-zone out. For sure, Kate.
Sige.
Okay.
Dito kami. Sa
Your
southwest.
survivors, come southwest. Zone,
Keep mo na.
southwest.
For my DPS, if you died, use GG boots, please. Your gear, use GG boots. So that you won't get GA.
Gymline, may slot pa sa party to.
Meron.
Invite po si Crystallize.
Ano pa?
Nasa,
Let's regroup on
Lion shot.
portal, guys. Yeah,
Lion
rigor.
Tier 2 blob. Bay. Hindi ko kita. Naka-NV.
hindi blob na.
Regroup on portal.
Portal, portal. I can't arba. Layo pa. 1 minute na lang. Arbak talaga ako. Naglalag ako.
Haley, I have loots. Where should I depot?
You have loot.
J6 looter, oh my god.
May tab kayo, Makels, sa Manifest Island.
Meron. Madami.
Just depot on Manifest Island. Later. Just bank it first on your personal bank for now. You're gonna depot later.
Hailey, kawawa yung mga naglalag sa likod, no? Naiiwan sila ng sir. Dalawa, naglag.
Yeah, we're gonna come back. Where are the others?